French for frog, la grenouille.
Grenouille.
Goofy
Burst
into
the
school. Sad.
Unfortunately, you didn't win the bonus round, but you still got some cash tonight.
Ultimate Ladders are It's great to see you. Congrats on the consolation chest.
so far my best. And if you actually are among, sorry, my bad. And also go back to praying. Go back to praying, Baltic.
Jamie, Jimmy, Jesse James, Rocket Dave, Team Rocket, blasting off every night at the speed of light and go really fast. That's all I know. Super surrender now or prepare to fight. That's right. That's right. That's right. Is that right?
Well, at least you can remember to get the new Team Rocket deck.
Now that you know how to play Pokemon, the best way to train is speed of light. Rocket Dave above. Just send the stars above. Jamie, Jimmy.
I've prepared my whole life for this battle. They set you. I kicked her into his furnace. Hey, hi. I'm the developer of Valheim Game Industries. And you know what's really fucked up? I didn't really have a follow-up for that. It's... Thank you very much, sir. NVIDIA Kojima. I love
NVIDIA Kojima. He's a what is the new one where they what is the graphic cards called where they're making mining ones? 360? That's him. Stop laughing! You're making me laugh.
Why is everyone dying on me? This is just too much.
Wow. Drake Lake.
Watch the signal. 3, 2, 1.
Wait,
First try.
should I go into?
No. Unless you want.
It's actually
We
better
only
if we
need
have
to
a team
plant.
on us.
Look before you talk.
Is it?
My bad.
We only have to plant 2 bombs all the way at the bottom.
Trust me, you're gonna want to need it.
Where there's so many specials. I feel like last weekend whenever I was playing this, like, this mission.
If you seem biblically accurate, does that mean Christianity is just eldritch worshipping in a way angel? What the fuck?
You know, you have a huge butt.
Hello. I guess I should unmute you, huh? Do you want me to unmute you? You have to nod. Hold on, this is fun.
I'll call you a freak again. Bro, just go!
Why is it timed perfectly?
I need to know you're safe, so please just... Ethan, you insolent pest! I got this. Get out of here!
I've got this.
Yeah,
Oh, dude, I'm coming.
it's a dome.
No way.
Drop
What?
Come on.
Okay, I'm coming, man.
Just be careful when you drop down out there.
Alright. What? Okay, I'm coming, man.
Just be careful.
Dude, I'm coming.
It's a dome.
No way. What?
Come on.
Okay, I'm coming, man.
Just be careful.
What are we supposed to do with it? Oh, I don't know, Einstein. I'll go out on a limb and say, watch movies, listen to compact discs, play games, interact with multimedia titles.
Nito, can we fix the machine so we can get back to our game?
I thought you fellas might be into something more challenging than two-dimensional things. You know,
Oh, I don't know.
slow motion digital video, killer graphics.
Partake in electronic media, perhaps.
You boys think
You
you're man
dumb
enough for a
idiot.
burn cycle?
You see that?
I want to get there so bad. They added it. It's new.
Davy Lawrence Castle.
Now that's an entrance. That's got to be the best pirate I've ever seen.
People to believe that she might actually look really scary from a front view. One artist shared an image of what he believes Peppa looks like from the front on Twitter, and friends, it ain't pretty. It shows Peppa with 4 eyes and 4 nostrils. It is safe to say that the image went viral and racked up tens of thousands of likes, and I'm never going to be able to unsee it. A 4-eyed Peppa Pig. Those 4 eyes make her far less cute, more like a Peppa the Spider Pig. In at 9, Peppa Pig is actually 7 feet tall. Peppa Pig is in preschool and one of the reasons why she's so cute and appealing.
Yeah, how can they be the Warriors of Light if they're black? Like the pegs. Oh god.
As is your right, I will reveal the prophecy of Lucan in its entirety.
Excuse me?
Veils the world. 4 warriors of light.
You wanna run that one by me again?